How to enable Touch ID for App Store on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to enable Touch ID for App Store on Mac. Let's get started without wasting any time. By the way, I'm using macOS Sonoma, which is the latest version of macOS. If you are using an older version, then the interface might be a little bit different. To enable Touch ID for App Store, launch the system settings on your Mac. Now swipe down and tap Touch ID and Password. Next, turn on Use Touch ID for purchases iTunes Store, App Store and Apple Book. Now, whenever you download or install an app from the App Store, it will ask for your Touch ID instead of the Apple ID password. Let's check it. Open the App Store. Find the app whatever you want to install on your Mac. Then tap on Get button and then tap on Install. After turning on Touch ID, I think it will ask to confirm your Apple ID password. After that, you can easily download any application without Apple ID password, and the application will be downloaded by scanning your finger. Do you want to use Touch ID for future purchases? Click Yes. Let's try to download another application. This time it's asking for the Touch ID instead of Apple ID password. That's all you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.